Chapter 7. Guess who's coming to breakfast? That morning before breakfast, Petey and his son started building a new creation. A Roborant 2000. Are you finished building that mesh endoskeleton? Almost. I just have to attach the cables. Ding dong. Turbo. Woo. Ooh. Petey. Petey? I'm not Petey. I'm your grandson, Lil Petey. Dad? Well, don't just stand there like a statue. Invite me in. Hey, nice place you got here, Junior. Thanks for finding my grandpa for me. I owe you one. Did you bring him here? Yeah. Hey, what's that? Where's the food in this dump? Who's me? What's going on in here? You shouldn't push your dishes up so high. You shouldn't put your dishes up so high. You shouldn't put your dishes up so high. It's your fault they got broken. I'll clean it up in a minute. Why did you bring him here? I'm sorry, Papa. I just wanted to have you. I wanted you to have your papa. My papa, that guy abandoned me. Do you have any idea what it feels like? You abandoned me what? You still remember that? Yeah? And I forgive you. Meanwhile, hello, I'm Sarah Hadoff with the news. Today I'm going to interview Chief. Thanks, Sarah. It's a great day for the city because Dogman has finally learned to focus. You mean he doesn't go bonkers when you roll a ball at him? No, Hey, Dogman, look, it's a ball. What's the ball? What's the ball? Okay, what about? Come on, get the ball. Who was the ball? Who was the ball? Get ready? Look at it. See? Problem solved. It appears as if Dogman's former obsession has become his greatest fear. This gives me an idea. Say goodbye to the crimes and hello to the Virgil balls. Mwahaha, 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 mwahaha. Watch out, meanies. Chill out, crime. It's Cupcake Commander time. Pow. Wow, Commander Cupcake broke up that fight. It's amazing. And now he's eating every cupcake in sight. Impressive. He's the hero we all deserve. We got cake. We got frosting. Check out the size of this sprinkle. This is the best day of my life.